Your mind will become calm and also thoughtless and formless. You will be close to yourself, to your individuality, to your center. Receive happiness, receive bliss. Everything is within you. Goodness, truth, religion, God, knowledge. Solution of all ailments lies within you. You are searching outside. This is your ignorance. Maharishi Charak says,
यस्य देशस्य यो जन्तुः तज्जं तस्य औषधमिदम्.
wherever disease occurs, the cure lies there itself. An ailment occurs in physical body, its remedy lies within only. If body is suffering, medicine lies within only. If country is suffering, the cure is there only. But what happens actually? Disease is spreading in India. And medicine is being searched in Germany, in America, in England. Amazing, my friend. Solution lies in physical body. It's within only. Stress, tension, heart problem. Whatever be the reason for migraine pain, 100% it will be cured. Practice Kapalabhati for 15 minutes. You have to breathe out in effortless manner. Do not practice fast. Practice it. Whenever you watch my program, this is Yoga Abhyas. It's a culture, tradition. While watching, become effortless. And practice also. Practice while watching. If you don't have migraine pain, other problems will dissolve. Stomach will remain normal, weight will be controlled, diabetes will be controlled, gas, acidity, stress, constipation, gas, constipation, acidity. These internal problems will be solved. Practice Kapalabhati for 15 minutes at medium pace with medium energy. Exhale your breath out. Breath will go in automatically. You have to breathe out. Mind will become calm, completely calm. Sleeplessness will go away, stress problem will melt away, worries, tension will also dissolve. Practice Kapalabhati joyfully. While practicing, you will become cool and calm. Headache will no more bother you under no circumstances. Practice Kapalabhati for 15 minutes at medium pace with medium strength. In addition, cholesterol, heart problem in nervous system, all these will be controlled. After this, practice Bahaya Pranayam. Take your breath in. Then breathe out, keep it out only. Practice Bahaya Pranayam with Tribandh. Like this, practice for 3 to 5 times every day, the Bahya Pranayam. Stomach upset, hernia problem, diabetes, and many other problems will be controlled. And migraine pain as well. You have to breathe out and retain out only. Agnisar. You can practice Agnisar for some time. Breathe out, then retain your breath out only. Contract your stomach in, then relax. This is Agnisar Kriya. This also can be done for 3 to 5 times. And now let's do Anulom Vilom Pranayam. 100% cure for migraine pain and headache. Practice effortlessly. Not only migraine pain, not only headache, it cures problems like paralysis also. Even the polio has shown improvements. Even migraine pain, depression, Parkinson, paralysis, polio, cancer, eye disorder, all sorts of heart problems. It's really amazing. Any other problem if you have will subside with this. Although for each disease we recommend a complete package of 7 asanas, 7 pranayams, 7 minor exercises. This is enough. Just do this. One need not do more difficult yoga abhyas. For Anulom Vilom, eyes closed, mind calm, close your right nostril, breathe in from the left side. Inhale from left, exhale from right. Inhale from right, exhale from left. Slowly you will be yourself, will become formless, thoughtless.
पुरुषार्थ शून्यानाम गुणानाम प्रतिप्रसवाह कैवल्यम स्वरूप प्रतिष्ठावचित शक्ति.
Slowly you will become one with the supreme energy. You'll have to do this pranayam for 15 minutes, gradually increasing the duration. This is the main pranayam. Main pranayam for migraine pain, for stress, for tension. Main pranayam for headache. Headache, stress, tension, migraine pain are completely cured with Anulom Vilom. Body, mind, prana, soul, all are being enlightened. All nerves of the mind are becoming strong, healthy and energized. Headache is being cured, will be cured and has been cured. Practice with these feelings. Headache will show improvement right from the first day. First day. You can cure it, not control, you can cure it. Migraine pain also. Right from first day. Practice Anulom Vilom effortlessly, eyes closed, mind calm. Like this, with a rhythm. Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Increasing the duration slowly from 2, 3, 5 to 15 minutes. After doing it for 15 minutes, practice Brahmari. First finger on forehead, rest 3 on eyes, ears closed fully with thumbs. Those having headache should practice more, that is from 5 to 11 times. Minimum 5 times, maximum 11 times. First finger on forehead, rest 3 on eyes, apply slight pressure with middle finger. Ears fully closed with thumbs, mouth as well. From nostrils pronounce Omkar with prayerful heart. In this way, while practicing Bhramari Pranayam, close your ears, pronounce Omkar from nostrils, creating an echo inside. Within your Agya Chakra, glow, a light, a luminescence will be generated automatically. Now Udgit Pranayam, practice effortlessly, mouth open. Pronounce Omkar from your mouth with full dedication and devotion. With devotion practice Udgit Pranayam. Pronounce the sacred word Om with devotion and dedication. You maintain a rhythm with your breath. Now lift both your hands up, rub them together. Feel the energy of warm hands on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. So practice in this way joyfully with dedication and full devotion. And now, let's do 7 types of minor exercises. A complete package, which we recommend for every ailment. For migraine also practice them. 7 pranayams, 7 minor exercises, and 7 asanas. Just do this. For a completely healthy person, to keep away all sorts of ailments, this is more than enough. Now stretch your legs in the front. Then join both the feet together. Press forward and backward with full force. This will reduce the stress of your feet. Press forward, backward with full force. Then join them together and make a circle with both the feet together. Stress of physical body will be removed and headache will also disappear. Whatever be the reason for headache, for any disease ailment, you must practice this complete package of yoga. Join soles of the feet together and move your legs properly. Knees touching the ground, butterfly. Now, let's do an Exercise for cervical spondylitis pain, neck pain, to reduce stress of upper part of body. Many times there's severe pain over here. Cervical spondylitis pain becomes so severe that it results in headache and giddiness and many other physical problems. This problem of vertigo, getting giddiness is cured. And many a times the main reason behind headache is cervical spondylitis pain. Many a times the reason is eye disorder. So with pranayam, the headache due to eye disorder, headache due to cervical spondylitis pain, all these types of headache are cured on their own. Thumb inside, fingers outside, fists closed. Now rotate them. Spine straight. Make a big circle from both sides. Next exercise. Fold both the arms from elbows, rest your fingers and thumb on shoulders. Make a big circle like this. From both sides. Join elbows as they come in front. Then lift your hands up, hold the left wrist with your right hand and vice versa. After holding them properly, stretch them from behind the head. While breathing in, pull. And while breathing out, come back. Practice from both sides. Lift your right hand and place it on your temple with hand toward head and head towards hand. Apply pressure against each other. Vibration will be felt in the neck. Now from the other side. Rest both your hands on the knees and rotate your shoulders. All physical stress will disappear. We will become flexible and healthy and stress-free as well. In the series of asanas, first of all, sit in Vajrasana to practice Mandukasana. Both the ankles outside, toes inside, knees joined together in the front. In the series of 7 asanas, first let's practice Mandukasana. Thumb inside, fingers outside, fists closed, fist on either side of the navel. Breathe out and bend forward. After breathing out, bend forward, look in the front with chest touching the knees. Then come back. In lower back pain, in cervical spondylitis pain, do not bend forward. Always remember this. In hernia, don't bend backward. Keep this in mind. Kapalabhati, Anulom Vilom, all other pranayams and yoga abhyas will not be practiced forcefully by heart and high BP patients. Rest your left palm on the navel, right over that. Second pose of Mandukasana. Whatever be the reason for migraine, all these exercises will be helpful. It's a complete exercise of spine, your stomach, your physical body, all your nerves, brain, system will improve, endocrine system will improve, all internal systems as well. This yoga abhyas will improve all your internal systems. Migraine pain, depression, Parkinson, and diseases like headache will subside on their own. Breathe out and then bend forward. First press your stomach in, then bend forward, look in the front. Then Come back. Now, second exercise. In the series of asanas, while breathing in, lift your hands up. While breathing out, bend forward. Shashakasana. Palms, elbows, forehead on the ground. Do not lift your buttocks. Then, while breathing in, lift your hands up. Then bring it down from sides. Like this. Each of these exercises can be done for 2, 3, 5 times. As per the availability of time, you can practice. These were in sitting posture. Now, 2 exercises while lying down on the stomach, Bhujangasana and Shalabhasana.